which is applicable to a right angle triangle. They are called trigonometric ratios. And we have three trigonometric ratios in a right angle triangle. So in trigonometric ratios, what we do is that we take the ratio of two of the sides. For example, we consider the ratio of opposite and hypotenuse. And the answer is given or recognized as a particular trigonometric function, which is sine theta. Secondly, we might consider the ratio of adjacent and hypotenuse, and the answer is considered as cos theta. Similarly, we might consider a ratio of, for example, opposite and adjacent, and the answer is considered to be as tan of some angle theta. Now, these are the three ratios: opposite upon hypotenuse, adjacent upon hypotenuse, and opposite upon adjacent. And these three ratios are given a specific trigonometric function as their name. So sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse, cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. Again, these three sides are the three sides which belong to a right angle triangle. For example, we have a 90-degree over here. So this side would be the hypotenuse. And then we would be considering some angle theta in this triangle. For example, if we are considering this angle as theta, then the side opposite to this angle theta, that would be the opposite of this triangle also. So this is opposite, and the remaining third side would be the adjacent of the triangle. So this is how the three sides are named, considering where the right angle exists, considering which angle are we considering. So we give their name as hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. And using two sides in a ratio at a time, we can define the values of sine, cosine, and tangent. Now, an easy way to remember these three ratios is by a phrase which is so ka toa. So means sine is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Ka means cosine is equal to, or cos is equal to, adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. So ka toa, from this phrase, we can easily remember the values or the expansion of three trigonometric ratios, which could be used in different questions. Now, what sort of questions do we get which involve trigonometric ratios? Firstly, there would be a right angle triangle, and secondly, an angle would be involved. So we would have a right angle triangle, and secondly, any angle would be involved. Involved means whether it be given or it might be required. So if we are given with an angle and we have to go through some working and find out the length of any side, trigonometric ratios would be used. And if we are required to find out the value for some angle and we are given the length of, for example, two sides, then again the trigonometric ratios would be involved. Trigonometric ratios are not involved if the angle does not involve in any right angle triangle. For example, we are given the length of two sides and we have to find out the length of third side and no angle is involved. So it means that we would be going for the Pythagoras theorem. But if the angle is also involved, whether it is given or required, then the trigonometric ratios does get involved if the triangle is a right angle triangle. So these were the two basic things which are involved in right angle triangle.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you like the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.